dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amaano. Amaano boarding and day.
I hope you are fine at home. It's time for maths, grade 6, and we are going to learn on angles. The subtopic is supplementary angles. From grade 5 and grade 4, you learned about types of angles, if you can remember. You learned about right angle. Those are angles that add up to 90 degrees. Acute angles, those are angles that are less than 90 degrees. Also, we did about obtuse angle. And the last one is reflex angles. Those angles, you learned them in grade 4 and grade 5. So today, we are going to only look at the supplementary angles as our subtopic. Now, what are the supplementary angles? These are angles that are formed on a straight line, as you can see on that figure. Those angles that are formed on a straight line, they make 180 degrees. That means angles on a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. That is, we have angle A, and we have angle B. So when we add angle A plus angle B, they'll make 180 degrees. So angle A and angle B, we call them the supplementary angles, because we add angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. Okay, let's go to example number 1. Find the value of angle X below. That's X. We are given one part, and that one part, it is 130 degrees. Now, how do we find X? To find X, we take X plus 130 degrees equals to 180 degrees. That is angles on a straight line. So how will I find X? X will be equal to 180. This one, I'll take it the other side, and this sign will change to be a takeaway. I'll take away 130 degrees. So X will be 50 degrees. So for the supplementary angle of 130 degrees is 50 degrees, as I'm going to show you on the part that is clear down there. That is X plus 130 degrees equals to 180 degrees. That means those are angles that are formed on a straight line that we call the supplementary angles. 180 degrees, I take away 130 degrees, I'll find it is 50 degrees. So X equals to 50 degrees. So if we write 50 here, 50 degrees, then we are going to take 130 plus 50 degrees, then we shall get 180 degrees. Those are the angles that are formed on a straight line. Let's check the next example. That's example 2. I'm given, find the missing angle marked Y in the figure below. There's a straight line there and angle Y. So I'll guide you that one. That is Y plus 60 equals to 180 degrees. So Y equals to 180 degrees, I take away 60 degrees, because this 60, when it crosses the other side, the sign changes to be a takeaway. So y equals to 120 degrees. So the value for this y, it is 120 degrees, that side. Example number 3. Example number 3. Write down the supplementary angles of A 70 degrees. You see that question, we are not given a figure like the other one that we were given a diagram that we were able to use to find the supplementary angle. But we know supplementary angle, those are angles that add up to 180 degrees. Those are the angles that are formed on a straight line. So we are given one side that is 70. So I can draw my diagram here. I say maybe this is my 70, and the ones I find this part, I can call it maybe x. How will I find it? I know x plus 70 equals to 180 degrees. X equals to 180, I take away 70 degrees. So I'll say 180 take away 70, that's going to be 110 degrees. So the supplementary angle of 70 degrees equals to 110 degrees. As you can see here, I calculated. We go to B, 65 degrees. Angles on a straight line, they add up to 180. Then we are given x plus 65 equals to 180. How will I find the value for x? For me to find the value of x, I'll take 180, I take away 65. That is 5, that is 1, and that is 1. So x, the value for x is 115 degrees. So that's 115 degrees, I plus 65 degrees, I'll get the total number of degrees on a straight line. Next one I have here, example 4. I'm given a diagram and I'm asked, find the value of the missing angle C. Missing angle C. That's a straight line. Angles on a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So the supplementary angle for 130 degrees is going to be C. It's going to be C plus 130 equals to 180 degrees. C equals to 180, I take away 130 degrees, I'll find 0, 5, and this is 0. So angle C equals to 50 degrees. So this 50 degrees, I plus 130 degrees, I'll get 180 degrees, and those are the angles that are formed on a straight line. Next one is, the next one is K. We find the value for K. We have K, and that's simple. You see there, it means that's 90 degrees, and we are given 60 degrees there. So how am I going to get angle K? I'll take angle K plus 90 plus 60, angle K plus 90 plus 60 equals to 180 degrees. So K plus 150, 150 I got it because I added 60 plus 90. K plus 150 is 180 degrees. K is going to be 180. I take out 150, that is equals to 30 degrees, the one that you can see on the board. Exercise. Find the value of the missing angle there. 70 degrees, 80 degrees, you find L. I'll only guide you a little bit. Angles on a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So I'll take 70 plus 80 plus L is equivalent to 180 degrees. So L equals to 180. I take away 150, and that one I'll get it to be 30 degrees. I'm not writing that one because that one is your exercise that you are supposed to do at home. So try that question, and we shall meet in the next lesson. Thank you so much.